Linking GetResponse with Google Sheets might sound like a task for advanced users, but today I'll show you how easy it really is. By the end of this video, you'll have a streamlined process that will save you tons of time and energy. First off, let's talk about the main reason you'd want to link GetResponse to Google Sheets in the first place. With this integration, you can automatically sync your contact lists, form submissions, or campaign data directly into Google Sheets for easy tracking, reporting, and analysis. It's a game changer for marketers and businesses who are looking to make their email campaigns more efficient. Next thing you'll need to do is set up your GetResponse account and head to the Integration section. Once you're logged in, you'll find Google Sheets under the Integrations tab. Now, here's the catch. GetResponse doesn't natively integrate with Google Sheets out of the box, so you'll need a third-party tool, like Zapier, to link them together. Zapier is a platform that helps you connect different apps, and it works smoothly with GetResponse. Now, setting this up through Zapier requires a few steps. First, you'll need to create a new Zap and choose GetResponse as the trigger app. The next thing you'll do is select the action event in GetResponse, whether it's adding a new subscriber or pulling in campaign stats. From here, Zapier will guide you to connect your GetResponse account to Google Sheets. Once that's done, you'll move on to the Google Sheets part. In Zapier, you'll set Google Sheets as the action app, and the action event will be something like Create Spreadsheet Row. This will push all the data from GetResponse into your spreadsheet automatically. Make sure to map the fields from GetResponse to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheets. Next thing you want to check is the frequency of the data syncing. Zapier lets you choose whether you want it to update in real time, or if you prefer periodic updates. If you're working with large datasets, I suggest going with periodic updates to avoid overwhelming your Google Sheets. Here's something to keep in mind when linking GetResponse with Google Sheets through Zapier. There's a cost involved if you're using the free version of Zapier, and you may be limited to a certain number of zaps or tasks per month. If you're a power user or running large campaigns, you might need to upgrade to a paid plan. Next, let's talk about the limitations. One thing I've noticed with GetResponse's integration through Zapier is that it might take a bit longer to set up compared to other platforms. Also, some users report that the sync can occasionally experience delays, especially with high volumes of data. But if you're comfortable with Zapier and have the right plan, it can still be a solid option. Now, the fourth thing to keep in mind is that while GetResponse is great for email marketing, if you're aiming for an even more seamless integration, you might want to consider other platforms that offer native Google Sheets integration, or at least better syncing speeds and reliability. Here's a bonus tip before we wrap up. While GetResponse works well with Google Sheets through Zapier, there are other tools like ActiveCampaign or MailChimp that offer more native, straightforward integrations with Google Sheets. These platforms might be a better fit if you're after a more effortless integration without relying on third-party tools. To wrap up, if you're looking for a platform that syncs well with Google Sheets and is more reliable and streamlined, be sure to check out the alternatives I mentioned. We've got an exclusive and extended free trial available through our link, and you'll also get amazing benefits that aren't available elsewhere. You won't want to miss out on this exclusive offer. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click the first link in the description for the best free trial for your business needs.